Ya Allah, only you know my heart. Every hidden fear, every broken part. When the world is loud and I feel alone, only you can guide me home. Only you, ya Allah, know the weight I carry inside. Only you, ya Allah, are my hope, my truth, my guide. If my steps grow weak on the way, hold me close and teach me to pray. Let my tears become a door to seek your mercy more and more. Only you, ya Allah, know the weight I carry inside. Only you, ya Allah, are my hope, my truth, my guide. Only human voices softly rise, gentle humming under humble cries. No drums, no claps, no rhythm track, just a heart that wants you back. Only you, ya Allah, know the weight I carry inside. Only you, ya Allah, are my hope, my truth, my